Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Mercedes Benz GLC Class. The luxury compact SUV segment has a new contender on the horizon, the 2026 Mercedes Benz GLC Class. This latest iteration is poised to continue Mercedes-Benz's tradition of combining practicality, performance, and cutting-edge technology in a stylish and refined package. Compact SUVs have gained immense popularity for their versatility, offering the perfect blend of size and functionality. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC Class epitomizes this appeal with its sleek yet understated design, sharing its underpinnings with the acclaimed C-Class sedan. The GLC Class's cabin wears nicely chosen upscale materials and a modern design with interestingly shaped air vents on the dashboard and heavily digitized control of the infotainment and HVAC systems. The steering wheel features irksome touch-sensitive control buttons for many of those same functions. All GLC come standard with heated front seats with memory settings and adjustable lumbar support. Ambient lighting, a power-operated sunroof, and a power rear liftgate are also standard. Like other Mercedes models, the GLC Class can be heavily optioned with a host of features, including a panoramic sunroof, illuminated door sill plates, ventilated seats, a heated steering wheel, and leather upholstery. Under the hood, the 2026 GLC Class doesn't disappoint. All models are equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. This smooth-running powertrain delivers an impressive 255 horsepower, 48-volt hybrid system, enhances efficiency and provides a slight boost to performance. 9-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear changes for a responsive driving experience. Drivetrain options. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, catering to those who prefer a classic, sporty feel. 4MATIC all-wheel drive is available for those who need extra traction and capability in various weather conditions. The price of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC Class starts at $50,400 and goes up to $54,550 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.